What do you think would have happened to Joseph from the Bible if he would have acted according to the parable of the sower? As we know, in the parable of the sower, when Jesus spoke to people and he was addressing the multitude, the level of faith, we see how there were different type of results towards the seed. Welcome to the Faith series with Dr. Suchita. If Joseph would have let the seed of his faith be distressed because the soil was shallow, he would have probably just during the slavery period given up his faith and not waited on God for the result. If Joseph would have reacted towards the birds who come and just take the seed off from the ground because they didn't take root anywhere, Joseph would have probably ended up in the slavery in Egypt, continuing for his life and not reaching the place of high authority that God had kept for him. If Joseph would have reacted to the thorns that came in his life and not let his seed grow, then he would have never reached a place of fulfillment what God had showed him through the dream. Never would his parents and brother come and see that his dream was real, that his dream was God given. We need to self-analyze if we are also reacting to the sun, the troubles, the disturbances that come in our life, or if we are really letting the roots of our faith go deep down in the ground and take root, grow healthily, give fruit and flower as Christ wants us to do. Follow me on Instagram to keep listening to such faith series. Do not forget to subscribe me on YouTube channel. Link is in the bio.